Hey guys, if you're interested to see this look that I've completed, keep watching. I just basically refreshed my hair, so if you're interested, stay tuned.
Sweetie, I don't want your cookies. If you're looking for applause, keep looking. Your recipe's boring. Need a little more spice in my cooking. Honey, you don't want my problems. If you had them, you would sink to the bottom. You should bring your life jacket, cause people like you can't handle this.
Hey guys, so to create this look, you need your braids to look like this, and to achieve that look, you would have to start off with some gel of your sort. I use Eco Style gel. Basically, it's 3 main steps that you'll have to do. Apply the gel tremendously throughout. You'll part your hair and then brush the product through, all the way through. Once you do that, you want to add your edge control of your choice. You'll see me using about maybe 3 different edge controls based off of how I feel for each braid. Once you add your edge control in, you'll just brush the product all the way through, and then you'll just twist maybe about 3 times. I did coat with 2 separate gels or edge control for each braid just to make sure that everything is in place. And I do have thin edges, so if you have thin edges, you can definitely do this look. They're not too thin, but you just be careful on how tight you do it. You don't want it too tight where it's like uncomfortable, but you want it tight enough so it can hold in place. So basically you'll just repeat those 3 steps until you achieve the look that you want. So I'm just gonna play the music and let's get into it.